Hello everyone, this is Yashan and today we are discussing about random forest. So let's see what is random forest and understand about it. So random forest comes under supervised machine learning, which is we give data as well as label. So random forest can be used in both the cases, classification as well as regression, but mostly the accurate answers and the mostly we use random forest is in classification. So let's understand random forest a bit better. So random forest is a type of ensampling learning. Uh, for those who don't know what is ensampling learning, it just means we are taking more than one algorithm. So random forest is in random forest we take more than one algorithm. Uh, the algorithm we take under random forest is decision tree. We take more than one decision tree and get our output with from multiple decision trees. As you can see, this is made up of many decision trees. Okay, so we had decision tree, right? Why we are using random forest? Why did we needed that? So random forest has two main uh, two main disadvantages, which were impurities and overfitting. By impurities, I mean uh, because random forest take data set only in one specific way. So when the impurities increases in that data set, the accuracy of decision tree will get compromised. And by overfitting, I mean it is trained only on one data set, and uh, it is trained on only one data set, and it may have chances of overfitting. So that is why the accuracy is also get compromised in this case too. So to solve these two problems, we introduce random forest. How? Uh, so now the question arises: how random forest solve these things? So for impurities, random forest basically takes data from multiple decision trees. So even if there is impurities, it get very minimized and accuracy increases. For overfitting, as I told, it as I told, random forest uses multiple multiple mm, multiple decision trees. So when we make multiple decision trees, we take multiple data set ma- uh, we take multiple data sets uh, of a single data set. I mean, we take variations in random order of one particular data set. Uh, we will understand about it more as next topic. So uh, now we will understand that how random forest is made and what's the logic behind it. So the logic behind random forest is we do two things in this to classify the objects. Step one is uh, step one, we have an original data. This is our original data, and mm, we modifies it in so many data set. We manipulate in and make so many different type of data sets in random order. We manipulate it in random order. For example, this data set we can see color. The color here is different than this, but the colors which but they all belong to the original data set. I mean, the color of original data set is similar to the bootstrap data set, but in different order. The order is different in every bootstrap data set. So that's how take we take multiple bootstrap data set from original data set, and uh, by with the help of these different data sets, different random we create different decision trees. Like for one bootstrap data, we make one decision tree. Second, another decision tree. Third, another decision tree, and we take n number of decision tree. And the third step is to get the data out of this decision trees. I mean, get the output out of this decision trees, and taking the majority majority output as our answer. For example, if we had five random forest, we have five decision trees in random forest, and four will say yes, and one will say no. So we'll uh, mark our answer on the base of majority, and we will take yes as an answer. So this is the logic behind random forest. So this is diagram of random forest. We have multiple trees and same data set, and by voting majority we decide the final answer. Now the explanation part is completed. We will get to the coding part. So here we will see how we implement random forest, and huh, we will see how we implement random forest in Python.